Jumping straight into my AM skincare routine. As you can see, the face needs a little TLC, so I'm going to start off with my oil cleanser. Today I'll be using a variety of different products. My oil cleanser is from Moonex Cosmetics. I like to use an oil cleanser when I feel like I have a lot of dirt and grime on my skin, and with me working in like a warehouse type of building, girl, it'd be so dusty and dirty, so I have to use an oil cleanser when I'm getting off of work sometimes to just, I feel like I'm getting the dust and the dirt particles out of my skin and off of my face. After oil cleansing, we're going to go in with Foam Gentle Cleanser by La Roche-Posay. For me, I have been loving a double cleansing routine because it's like you're double cleansing with oil. Then you're going to go in with a gentle cleanser to wipe away all that gunk and to really just clear out the pores without stripping it and making it super like thin. So I like that it cleanses my face, but I don't leave with my face feeling super dried out because I have combination to oily skin. My skin is acne prone. Girl, the hyperpigmentation is there, the scarring is there. So I just need something that's going to be gentle yet effective, and I feel like I'm coming up with a really good routine. I have always had some form of insecurity around my skin and around my acne, scarring, and everything, all the things. But I will say, like, over the years, I have been testing out products from, girl, I can name so many high-end products to low-end products. Really, my skin is always changing, so I can't stick to just one thing. But I will say, for me, it don't matter how many products you get, how much expensive they are. If you're not eating well, if you're not prioritizing your mental health, you're sleeping, your skin is not gonna get better. Like, I'll do good for a month, and then the next month, if I'm not eating well, if I'm drinking sodas, if I'm getting like 4 to 5 hours of sleep, my skin is gonna take a toll. You're gonna see the acne, you're gonna see the dark marks, you're gonna see all of that stuff. So for real, if you're really trying to get on that skincare journey, you need to start from the inside and heal your inner side, your inner health. Then your hair will start growing. Then your skin will get glowing and super clear. So food for thought. Next, we're going to hit the face with Olay's toner. I like this toner because it's gentle. It's not too stingy like witch hazel. You know, witch hazel can be kind of strong. Alcohol can be kind of strong. So this toner is like chef's kiss. 10 out of 10. It does what it needs to do. The mug is coming along. Next, we're going to get into that lip care. This is an oldie but a goodie. I'm not coming up off of this. This is my lip care routine. Pretty simple. I'm using one product, and that's Truly Beauty's lip scrub, because it's not only easy to apply, it's not only super moisturizing, it's not only like a gentle scrubber on your skin, on your lips, but it also has a slight lip stain, and it also just makes me feel super like, okay, my lip is exfoliated. I got super kissable, soft, delicious lips, and other things that start with D's. I just love this on my lips. Like, this is just giving everything I needed to give. It's giving those vibes, and that's all I'm trying to do. I'm trying to inspire myself when I be doing that skincare routine. I'm trying to uplift myself. I'm trying to become a new Sierra. Next, we're going to go in with Rose Galore Face Oil. I'm going to say, since we double cleansed, we definitely need a double moisturize. You know, double toil and trouble. We're going to double team the face. And I'm running out of face oil, and I don't like that. Like, I really don't like that. Like, why does the face oil run out that quick? What is in it? what is in it. That's what I'm trying to see right now. It's like, what is left of it? Because it's giving I need another re-up. But on to other things. For the girlies who have dry skin, I'm just going to tell you like this. Your skin is going to stay dry if you never moisturize it. Even if you have dry skin, you still should be applying a moisturizer to your skin. And what I like about this face oil is you don't really have to use too much. Now me, I'm an extra girl, so it's just given I want to be a glazed donut, but you do not have to use that much face oil. And also this does not clog up my pores and it doesn't make me break out. So your girl be using it very generously, which is why I'm always running out of it. But yes, I had to put y'all on real quick to let y'all know. Like, I used to think that because I had combination to dry or combination to oily skin, depending on the season, that I should not be putting face moisturizer on. And that messed me up for years to where my nose would overproduce oil. Baby, you gotta moisturize yet and still. Child, lastly, we're going to go in with CeraVe. They have a gentle face lotion. I use this on my neck, my face, and I use this on my hands because it's just so much. I feel like this, the face oil, I run out. But this, I don't never run out of it. Like, it's just a big container that I never run out of. So it's actually concerning me the more I say it. It's like, how long have you had this at this point? Because I ain't bought one of these in about 6 months. So it's giving that once you buy it and use it a little, girl, you might be good for a while. This is my skincare routine for the girlies with hyperpigmentation and acne. My skin is not perfect, my skin is not clear, but I am working towards that. And I wanted to share my routine, and I really wanted to document my face as it is going to mature over time, with me really dedicating myself to sunscreen and just face scrubs and baby girl skin peels and all the different things. I really want to document my skincare journey and see how far I can go with it. So if you like this video, stay dope, stay beautiful, and stay uplifted, and go ahead and hit your girl a subscribe button, okay?
Break it up, break it down, back it up, fuck it up,